Good afternoon. It has been a hot minute since I picked up the camera and filmed. We are currently at a hookup park up, like a self-service honesty box type of style. This will be the second time we've actually used like a self-service hookup now in the whole time we started van life. And you know, I'm actually losing track of how long it has been now. It's got to be 8 weeks today. So 2 months. Time is absolutely flying by. Or is it 2 months? Yeah, it's got to be 2 months this week, I'm pretty sure. There has been a few little small updates inside Vinny. I'm not going to show you them now, but we will get round to doing a nice little video and show you like what we've done, because we've still got a little bit to finish yet. But I can't wait to show you that as well, because yeah, throughout the weeks we've just been doing bits and pieces and what we can afford to do. I'll take you outside here and I'll show you around this area. So we're now outside. Hopefully you can see me because it's really sunny. At least I can see and the sun's not in my eyes. But I'm just going to come and show you the board. So everything updated here, and it basically just says overnight stay rate. So with Hook Up, it's cost us £20 for the night, and it's an honesty box. Or you can go to, where is it? It's on here somewhere, or at least it said it on the app on Park for Night. So you use honesty box system. So you basically just obviously take one of the envelopes, pop it in there, and they trust you to leave payment. So yeah, that's what we did yesterday. You just have this little cute area, like picnic area. As you can see, the sun is out today. All the lovely nature, trees in the back. It was a little bit windy at night last night, but actually not by the time we went to sleep. I think we went to sleep super late last night. I think it was like maybe 1 o'clock in the morning. We'd done a lot of editing. That's another thing we've been doing recently as well. We have had a lot of videos to catch up on with editing, so that's also why we've been a bit of MIA. MI6. Yeah, MI5.
Rebecca, the triple agent. MI6, MI5.
Yeah, so the hookup's obviously here. That is it really.
And then your door.
I think I've already shown this door.
Underneath the sunshine.
Yeah, and the lovely curtain. Our curtain always manages to escape. Yeah, if you've not already commented about that, what do you think what we've done with that? As I said, we have got a few more little updates and a few things to show you what we've done in terms of like decorations and upgrading Vinny. But we're not yet finished. We've just kind of started it here, started it there as we've been travelling. But once it's all done, we'll definitely give you a van tour. Plan is now we're coming towards the end of this 24 hours shortly, so we'll obviously unhook up and get back on the road and probably grab a nice drink from somewhere, although there's not many shops around this particular area, so we might have to go a little bit. And head towards Aberdeen. Also, this area is called Tomintoul, I think that's how you pronounce it. So we have been around this area for maybe the past 3 days. We did actually stay our first night in this particular little section, like a little bit further down by a nature reserve kind of thing, which weren't too bad. We was the only ones there. No one disturbed us. Good night's sleep there as well. And the night before that, we actually stayed. I think Chico might have shown a few clips, so we'll also have to pop that in. But we did actually stay at a free park up, which included the chemical waste disposal, and they also had like a toilet as well. They did have a tap, although due to like the weather being a bit hit and miss and a bit cold, I think that's froze over, so you couldn't actually use the tap to get water. But I found that absolutely brilliant. I thought it's very rare that you come across like a park up that is actually free and includes such facilities like chemical disposal and stuff. It's just not something you really come across, or we have personally, without obviously having to go pay to do your chemical disposal. So I think there should be more of those in place. Definitely. Come on. We're going in the front. Come on, let's go. Let's go. So here is where we stayed the previous night. So just here before we decided to go to the hookup park up. I don't know if you can see, but very much in the distance is some snow on the mountains.
We're gonna get closer to it.
What a beautiful day.
We're gonna go next to the ski resort. So yeah. See how it is over there.
These rough days of my mind, leave these rough days far behind.
Where you... Well,
Where's that? That's what I mean. Where's the...
yeah. Come on, Binny. Come on, Binny.
Come on, mate. Come on. Now I didn't want to overtake me earlier.
Yeah, they're stuck
Probably.
behind now. Exactly. We're getting closer to the ski resort as well. There is only like remnants, if I can say, of like snow left around, but 2 days ago there were a lot more and it was a lot colder as well. So if you just see out my window, there's bits of, just little bits. And it looks really thick as well, that, like very thick, what's left of it.
Wow, there's many places. Like it goes from here.
Yeah,
It's like an old one.
it looks like. It doesn't look very functional, that one.
No, but they got like different ski slopes. We got here, we
Yeah.
got one there.
They've got the,
There's still snow on this side.
yeah, there is
There's
still
still
snow
ski.
going up this way.
Good. So you're going over there. And then... it's working this.
Oh yeah, there is somebody up there. You can see all the, what do you call them? The chairs that go across the wire.
Cheers.
Chairs.
Flying chairs.
Flying chairs. Yeah, you can see all those going up
That
there.
one's working.
And that one's turning. I think they're just doing some checks because there's like a guy that looks like he's like part of the engineering of it or whatever. So yeah,
Come on, Vinny.
the ski resort. It says on this sign actually. Lech Stockport. Okay. So this is the ski resort then. And we're just
Oh. I need to clean the mirrors.
they're doing something down there. So it's the Lech 2090 or 2090.
They're spreading a bit of snow over there.
Snow, yeah, I know. So I mean, it doesn't look functional at the time, at this moment, but it clearly is. And I've just gone on like their website, and there's nothing to sort of say that it's not. It just says no need to book. Come along and see us in the ticket office.
Look at this amount of snow here.
Yeah, look at all this.
That's frosted.
Yeah, it is.
Lech ski center.
Is it not Lech?
Lech.
Or is it like
Lech.
Lech? But yeah, down you can see they've got like a machine that's like spitting out
Machine?
like snow.
They got loads of like
They,
them chair things,
yeah, they
flying
have
chairs.
flying chairs. What did it say? It said something about it. Lifts off.
What?
The lifts, aren't they? Chair
Oh,
lifts
it's
or
not
whatever.
this.
So yeah, it says 3 of 11 available lifts. So they've got 11 then in total.
Yeah, yeah.
11 chair
Makes
lifts
sense.
across it. But there's 3 available at the current time. It's very windy. What a view, wow. I don't know if it's really, if action's doing justice of the views, but they look so good.
Look at this. We're on top of Scotland. How good is this view? Tell me. You can see all that snow over there in the distance. Like there's loads of snow. Or over there, everything is so good. Wow. Wow. The top of the top. It looks very, very good. And I can see the ski resort from here. That's brilliant. Yeah, that's brilliant. I'm very happy. And sun is out. We feel perfect. Yeah, action. Yeah, boy. Guacamole. We're going down now.
Yeah, it's a bit of a down.
Chuck the second gear on.
A decline.
We want to kill the brakes.
Yeah. It's like going down Transalpina or Transmigration. Oh God.
Then he's screaming.
Yeah.
Got the amount of wood over here.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, there's loads of logs. You've been cutting down lots and lots of trees. Oh. Oh my God. I think that's the worst of it. It was just about getting down to the bottom now.
It's not that bad. That's the devil one. That devil one was. Jesus.
Yeah.
It smelled like brakes so bad, like you couldn't keep it like in second gear at all. Nah, you have to slap the brakes.
Just
and
going
like hard
over
on the brakes.
Cockbridge.
Cockbridge. Yeah, that one.
River Don.
Back in Donny.
Is this the River Don? The River Don obviously stretches like far and wide in Sheffield, Rotherham. Where else does it stretch? Doncaster. Yeah.
It goes to Hull.
It stretches far, but apparently it comes all the way to Scotland. And just up there, the farmer is burning some parts of the fields to obviously help bring up the new grass.
Fresh.
See it again.
Fresh grass.
We saw quite a few patches driving along, but yeah, they're actively doing that as well now. Arrived at tonight's park up. You can't see me. It's that dark. Now you can see me. It's a forest. It's Clune, I believe. Clune Forest.
Oh, yeah, this is the best spot.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put it.
You're just gonna put it like forward here.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah, that should be fine. Yeah.
Perfect to get off. Blah blah blah. To Wal Rupert. Yeah.
Yeah.
But no,
No?
I want to join the toilet.
You want to go in, Charlie?
We're gonna get Charlie and we're gonna go back in the back, yeah?
We're gonna go back in the back.
Tom, and I'm just tiny tubes.
Good morning. Oh. So, let's show you what last night's park up is in the daytime.
I want mommy. Mommy.
Pump the jam, puppy.
Yeah, so this was last night's
Good
park
morning, lovely people.
Oh, Bobo, get Rupert. There's a horse.
Oh,
That's beautiful. Seems we've also got some horse shite right next to the wheels. Beautiful.